Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a quick look here at ICP, seeing what's going on. We're definitely looking at a pretty decent situation here at this point. Certainly looking like we're going to pivot and bounce and essentially establish our fifth and final wave for Elliott Wave. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. Truly hope you can learn something here today. And if you want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below where you can register for my trading university, academy, or signal group. All great things there. Of course, we've got a phenomenal group here in our trading community. So if you want to learn a lot more, be fly on the wall or interact with some awesome traders, check that out. We've also got some nice profits here from Chainlink. I think it was BNB. A lot of good little scalps here in the last 24 hours. Been a good weekend for that. And then, of course, on Friday, we took some nice profits from Chainlink, 72% and 46% in roughly 5 days and 2 weeks for the other. So again, swing trades are swing trades. Simply put, you buy now, you sell later down the road. Day trades are scalps. They move very fast, very quick. So if you are new to the community, please read through your signals guide and double check that as well so you know exactly the difference between these grips here. That said, let's check out ICP and see what's going on here. Daily time frame, we want to address a few key factors. So the key factor here for us is that we have a nice strong MACD convergence. This is a very good sign to have that, kind of giving us just general momentum shift from this little recent downtrend to essentially trying to break through this level here at 0.618, this roughly about $13/$14 range. Technically, we're hitting 13 right now, but that's just somewhat of a resistance zone. So 13 to 14, it will be resistance. We can break above that. Should be solid to be able to take another leg up. Keep in mind, we're in our fifth and final wave of Elliott Wave here, so if the price doesn't break in this most recent high, we should see one more push up here and likely consolidation efforts out above 14. It's ultimately what we're looking for. Stochastic RSI swinging up. Money flow index is good. RSI is good. These are all great signs here, folks, and we're also above all moving averages too. So the truth is, shorting this coin is definitely not the greatest idea. You're going to have better luck going up than down. Keep in mind, we still have room for down. The price can totally drop, but it can still drop for a few dollars and still be considered bullish. That's the funny thing about this. So recognize that. It's not like it's just, it's not a one-size-fits-all. There's always some gray areas, but generally speaking, the overall consensus is bullish on the daily. That's a good sign. 4-hour time frame is telling us we got a stochastic convergence here, shift in momentum, bounce off 50 on the RSI, and money flow is still maintaining itself. All great signs when you see the price action where it's at right now. That in combination with MACD here, strong convergence on the horizon, we should be able to see some pretty cool things here moving forward. And once more, again, this little Elliott Wave is looking pretty solid here to the upside with some decent potential for upside, right? So we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is still pending, of course, and 4 may not be in 2. You got to keep that in mind. This isn't a guarantee, but if the price does essentially break this 1365, the most recent high, solid chance we're going to see a much higher high at that point. So all that combined together basically tells us we're in pretty good shape here and a nice solid situation for this coin. So what does that mean for us in the hourly? Let's take a quick look. Hourly time frame tells us that we are breaching the cloud. We've been within it for the last 12 hours. So generally speaking, that's kind of a no-buy zone, because if you look at the conversion line and the baseline, they're intersecting. And then we're seeing the lagging span trying to break free of the price action. So what needs to happen here is really the price needs to go up and over for maybe 6 hours. We'll naturally have the lagging span free and clear of the price action, and conversion line would have been broken above the baseline. So we're kind of at this point right now where it's best to wait, and likely we have confirmation on the horizon, but we're not there yet. Okay, so to me, I'm looking for a closure at $13 or higher today. Keep us above this fib level here at about 1292. Generally speaking, there's a stronger chance the price is going to continue higher, but we need to confirm that first, right? But everything else is looking pretty solid. 4-hour, daily, all looking good here for ICP. We just got to double check and make sure that we get this solid confirmation here. And to me, a confirmation is, once again, about 4 hours above the cloud. So hypothetically, the price comes up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good check mark. Or the price just goes sideways here. It comes up. We get 4 hours confirmation there. Good to go. Okay. So again, make sure you watch my my Ichimoku Cloud video if you're curious about what I'm talking about here. Confirmation is extremely important. You want to wait while the price is above the cloud for a little while to confirm it's actually broken through it. Okay. So in case you didn't know, until a candlestick closes, that's not a confirming factor, right? Once the candlestick closes, you know, okay, it spent this much time in this range to let us understand that we're on the right side or the wrong side of the tracks. Right now, we're still under technically we're still under a resistance level. Okay, we just got to confirm we can break above that. So I would say in about 5 or 6 hours from now, we have a pretty solid understanding if we're going to be able to break to the upside or if we want to wait a little bit longer, because this could be the beginning of a descending trend. Okay. We are seeing lower highs and lower lows, and generally speaking, not a phenomenal situation, but almost awesome. Hope that makes sense. Also, what's awesome is our Bitunix exchange. Be sure to check them out. Link down below. You use my link to register, you get some nice rewards. They're a phenomenal exchange. They've been very good to our community. Super thankful for them. No KYC or VPN. That's the main reason why we use them. And again, please read through the signals guide if you're new to the community. You need to understand the difference between my premium swing trades and my premium plus day trades. Okay. Hope you can learn more, of course, either way you look at it. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.